In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and share workflows effectively by using various import and export techniques. So, whether you're looking to back up your current workflow or import someone else's for a project, stick around as we dive deeper into the process with clear instructions and useful tips. First, let's talk about downloading your current workflow as a JSON file. This is a great way to back up what you've been working on, ensuring you have a saved version that you can easily access or share later. To start, navigate to the Settings or Options menu where you'll typically find an export feature. Once you're there, look for a button or link labeled Download and click on it. What happens next is that your workflow gets packaged neatly into a JSON file and gets downloaded directly onto your computer. Remember that this file contains the entire layout and instructions of your workflow, so it's good to keep it stored safely, possibly in a designated folder for easy access. Now let's move on to importing a workflow from a URL. This method is particularly useful when someone shares their workflow with you via a link, such as a GitHub URL. To begin, you'll need to copy the URL of the JSON file that contains the workflow you want to import. In your application or platform that supports workflows, locate the Import from URL feature. Upon finding it, you will see an input field where you can paste the copied URL. Once pasted, hit the Import button. You may need to wait a few moments as the application imports the workflow, pulling in each step and setting as defined in the JSON file. Soon you should see the new workflow in your directory, ready to be examined or modified according to your needs. Lastly, let's explore importing a workflow from a file already on your computer. This is particularly straightforward and is often used when you already have a JSON file saved locally but need to load it into your application. First, find the option labeled Import from File. This could either be in a toolbar, settings menu, or a similar location depending on your program. Clicking on this option should open a file browser window. From here, navigate to the folder where your JSON workflow file is stored and select it. Confirm your selection, usually by clicking an Open or Import button. The application will take it from there, uploading the selected JSON and integrating the workflow into your system. And there you have it. With these techniques, you're now equipped to handle exports and imports of workflows, making collaboration and backup effortless and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this one. Thanks for watching and happy workflow managing.